Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, October 2nd, 2023. It is 3:11 and 41 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, kidney cancer. So let's hop to it here. Genetic code of rare kidney cancer. Correct. New study reveals drivers of rare cancer that provides a possible alternative solution to surgery. Date September 25th, 2023. Source: Wellcome Trust, Sanger Institute. There are 100 cases of reninoma reported to date worldwide, and it is amongst the rarest of tumors in humans. Although it can usually be cured with surgery, it can cause severe hypertension, or it can spread and develop into metastasis. There are no exciting medical treatments for reninoma, and management involves surgery alone. Until now, it had been unknown what genetic error causes reninoma. The scientific investigators and microbiologists found that there was a specific error in the genetic code of a known cancer gene, NOTCH1, that is behind the development of this rare cancer. The team examined 2 cancer samples from a young adult and a child with advanced genomic techniques known as whole genome and single nuclear sequencing. Their findings suggest that the use of existing drugs targeting this specific gene is a possible solution to treating reninoma for patients where surgery is not a viable option. Many cancerous tumors have already been deciphered with genomic technologies. However, this is not so true in rare cancers, particularly those affecting children. The work aims to fill that gap, and this is the first time that they have identified the drivers for reninoma, and they hope that the work continues to pave the way towards new therapies for childhood cancers. Rare kidney cancers, known as reninomas, do not respond to conventional anti-cancer therapies. The only known treatment at the moment is surgery. The study shows that actually there is a specific and well-studied gene that drives this rare cancer. If we use already known drugs that affect this gene, they might be able to treat it with the need for an invasive technique such as surgery. Rare cancers are exceedingly challenging to study, and patients with such tumors may therefore not benefit from cancer research. Here we have a powerful example of cutting-edge science, rewriting our understanding of an ultra-rare tumor type, reninoma, whilst delivering a finding that potentially has immediate clinical benefits for patients. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.